Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today is February 8th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at NEO, just doing an initial review to see what NEO is all about. So please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. So let's get started. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap. Right now we have a CoinMarketCap of $389 billion with a Bitcoin dominance of 35.5%. Woohoo! Bitcoin is at 82.14, ETH a little above 800, Litecoin 146, Ripple 76 cents, Stellar 35 cents, and VeChain at 424. So NEO is right here. It's at almost $111. And if we click on its site, whoops, well, not its site, its thingy here, we can look at its chart. There it goes, zoom. Look at that volatility. Volatility is nice for traders. Let's go take a look at its 1 day. See what it's done. Oh, that's a nice hop. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. 7 day. Very nice. What's this? Let's see. Come on, thing. Come on, thing. $66 to right around in here. 116. So that is almost 118 there. That's almost a doubling. So that'd be 100% gain. That would be nice to have, wouldn't it? All right, enough of that. Let's go look at the markets. Where can you get this guy? Ubit, Binance, Bitfinex, whole bunch. Very popular coin. Social. Okay, they have some tweets here. Follow them on Twitter. Okay, lots of good stuff. Also Reddit, check them out on Reddit. Lots of information there. You'll note that a lot of people just love the coin, and that's great. If you're a NEO holder, hey, great. If you like it, you like it. That is fantastic. So let's go take a look at their website, NEO. Come on, NEO. Come on, website. Alrighty, home, NEO, an open network for smart economy. Yay! And what is NEO? Okay, first off, it's a nonprofit community-based blockchain project. Okay, blah, 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 blah. It's founded in 2014, so it's been a while. June 2015, it went on GitHub. GitHub's like a repository for software, if you didn't know. Let's see, what else? Okay, digital assets, identity, smart contracts. That's what they call the smart economy, the combination of those three. NEO client, phone, desktop, web. Okay, that's cool. Digital assets, programmable assets that exist in the form of electronic data. Alrighty, big thing here. Let's see. What are they? Okay, same old stuff, right? Okay, we've seen that before. Digital identity. Okay, they're doing X509. Okay, X509. Oh my gosh, what is X509? Let's go take a look. Okay. Good old Wikipedia. So X509 has to deal with public keys. Wow, we've heard of that before, including TLS and SSL, secure socket layers. That's where the S comes from, and HTTPS is SSL. And so you get certificates here for public and private keys. And read this over. Check it out. Do your homework, okay? Learn about what actually are public and private keys. If you're in the crypto world, this is something to really to know about and get your arms around, right? Okay, so this is looks like a pretty easy site to read. Doesn't go too much into the technicals of it. There are links there, of course. You can get into it. But yeah, okay. So that's Wikipedia. All right, moving on. So that's what they mean with a public and private key. What you can do is basically stamp it, saying, okay, this is me and this is you. How do you know it's me? Well, because, well, here's my ear. Okay, that was cut off. I'm a little macabre, guys. Okay. All right. So how do I know this ear is yours? Okay. Well, boom. All of a sudden, oh yeah, it fits back in like a puzzle. Yeah, it must be yours, right? Oh, that's sick. Anyway, moving on to different things. So X509, nothing new. This is used all over. Okay. Yeah. Smart contracts. Yeah, this is a platform where you can make smart contracts on. Really cool thing is that it's C#. And Visual Studio, that's a integrated development environment. That's where programmers can go and actually type it in, and they can compile it to make sure it compiles and do testing and all this cool stuff. That's where they actually make programs in, and that's developed by good old Microsoft. Eclipse is from IBM. That's for like Java and stuff. I personally use Visual Studio and some other stuff. Alright, so that's cool. And if you're a developer, okay, we're in developer. Alrighty. So where's their white page? Where's their white page? Where is their white page? Don't see it. Don't see it. Let's go look on client. Maybe it's on one of these things. Okay, client, Neo GUI. Okay, that's for the PC client. Okay, that's for the command line. And then the wallet, City of Zion, class. Okay, cross-platform client. Okay. Not quite what I was looking for. Let's check out their blog. Check out their blog. They'll cancel monthly reports. Okay. See what else they have. Instruction for the developers and students to receive free tickets. Oh yeah, they had their DevCon not too long ago. What else did they have? I'm sorry guys, I can't translate that for you. Alright, so that's their blog. Alright, we know what the client is. Let's go look at their developer. What is their... Oh, DApps. Let's go look at their DApps. Okay. So, a bunch of DApps here, so you can check those out. Trinity is a, okay, application, real-time payment. Okay, so it's like a payment thingy. There's other stuff here. You guys can take a look at that. Let's see what else. Going back. Okay, developers. Check out developer. Apply for NeoGAS in testnet. I'm not going to apply. Tech documents, GitHub. Oh, let's go look at their tech documents real quick. English. I speak English. What do they have here? Now, I'm looking at this from a developer point of view right now, okay? Alrighty, digital assets, contracts. This is good info for you guys to read, okay? And tell you what these things are. Easily. Okay, decentralized management. Oh, what do they have here? Governance. Here you go. Neo's 100 million tokens divided into two portions. The first distributed proportionally to supporters of Neo during crowdfunding. Okay. Second 50 million managed by the council. Locked out period of a year. Okay, so that's old, and it just tells you the percentages. All right. Also, gas distribution. Gas is generated with each new block. Tells you that. So you can have Neo, and then gas is like the stuff that well, it's like in a car. It's the stuff that makes it run. So you own the car, which is the Neo, and then you put the gas in. All right. That's what makes the stuff run. Okay, well that's cool. That's a good one. DBFT. Delegated, Byzantine fault tolerant. Yeah, that's cool. You can read that on why it's cool. Not covering it here. I'm just getting an initial look at this thing. Okay. Oh, they're using their own storage. NeoFS file system. Let's see what they have here. Hash, yeah. Okay, hash instead of a URI. All right. Okay, cool. Really, anti-quantum cryptography mechanism. Really? Okay, the emergence of quantum computers. RSA. Yeah. They're saying it has a lattice-based cryptographic mechanism. Huh, okay. That's interesting. Alright, have to take a look at that further. Not in this video, but later on. Alright, NeoNode. Okay, so they have nodes, how to install it. Oh, they have API reference. API is application programming interface. It's basically how we can tap into the code as developers for the code they're written, for the code we are writing. They have like stuff already done. In other words, like what ports to use, get asset state, get account state. Okay. All right, so that's their API. There's that. What do they have under smart contracts? Getting started in C#, Visual Studio. Okay, that's cool. A plugin, compiler. What else? Create a project. Yay. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Typical hello world. Looks pretty easy. Okay. It's doing a starts with a main. Alright, so that's its bootstrap. Alrighty. What do they have here for tutorials? Hello world. Yeah, that's basically that. Contract authentication. Okay. Alright, so you know, if you're a developer, take a look at this thing. Might be kind of fun, right? Might be kind of fun. Docs for development. You notice that on this site, it's like really geared towards developers. Really geared towards developers. Let's open their GitHub link. Neo project. 15 repositories. Okay. So they have Neo. Okay, examples, C#. Yeah, that's cool. So people like that. Oh, okay, there's a good number. Neo, there it is. Wham. Let's go take a look at that, see what's in there. 16 hours ago. So that's nice to see that people are actually working on it. And as I said, GitHub is a repository for the actual software, so people make the changes, and then when they save it, it gets saved to the GitHub, and wham, this thing here tells you, oh, when it was last updated and saved, right? So let's go click on Neo. What was updated 15 days ago, 16 hours ago, smart contracts. What did they do? Get script to, okay, fine. Yeah. All right, so that's cool. Issues. Haha. This is where you guys can actually see bugs or that people have issues. Ha. Secret, super secret stuff. Contract migrate fails when a witness checks in also. Okay, interesting. Really good info for you guys. Как получить оперативный отладку. Okay, and GUI wallet issues. Okay. Anyway, they help wanted. Isn't that interesting? Help wanted. Hey, I need help on this. Help wanted. Hey, I need help. Bug critical. If you see something with GitHub, go to it. Try and find their issues and look at it, and you can probably get a pretty good clue of what's going on. So that's interesting. Interesting stuff. What else is one where there's a lot of activity here? Okay, Neo, that's a lot of stars. Everything else is everything else sucking wind? Let's see. Yeah, docs. Yeah. Okay, so that's interesting. We looked at that, and they're having some opportunities. All right, so let's go look at the dApps. See what they have. We're looking at the dApps just to kind of get an overall feeling of what the developers are doing and what they're coming up with. And we're checking out this coin. This is how we do in-depth homework. And I am taking you through the steps. Okay, so next combines the Neo blockchain with an off-chain matching engine to enable much faster and more complex trades than existing decentralized centralized exchanges. Okay, cool. Visit their website here. It's nice they have the links. I want to see their GitHub though, so you can get that really good info. Moonlight, distributed workforce and analytical project. Okay, that sounds interesting. Red Pulse, RPX are Neo tokens issued by Red Pulse, an event-driven research firm. Alrighty. Oh, here's one. Zeepin. Distributed creative new economy, decentralized innovation community. Okay. You know, some of the stuff they get here, it's so wordy. I just don't get what they are actually trying to say. It's not like I'm stupid or anything, but it's like double talk. Let's see. How's this Zeepin project looking? Okay, 0 stars, 12 followers. Okay, great. So they have Neo forked. Okay, so that's their fork. They copied it over, making modifications. 1 star. Not a whole, hardly any activity here, guys. Hardly DNA. Hardly any activity. 3 months, 9 months, 11 months ago. Where's their day? You see that? How you can get a figure on the time? What about this one? Nada. Okay. What about this one? Java. Well, let's look at the C#. A year ago, 3 months ago. Okay, this one doesn't look so hot. Kill that. So much for Zeepin Q-Link. Can't tell. Neo Smart. Control IoT. Internet of Things. Hey, that's like that's like our buddy IOTA. Okay, little overview. Sometimes they put that here. That's the code 3 months ago, 2 months ago. Okay, 10 commits. He updated 10 times. 2 people contributing. All right. Not a large project by any means. What else do we have? What is this one? Users control their own content. Ooh, let's go look at that. 2 months ago. Smart contract on mobile apps. Okay. 1 contributor uploaded 16 times. Okay. Whoops, wrong one. All right, so you guys get the hang of that one. Not a whole lot of activity. Turing complete. Smart contract. Inputs okay. What's this one? SIP registration. Okay. Switchio. A decentralized exchange. Well, let's go look at that one. DEX are real important. Not real important. Well, they're important too, but they're really like the talk of the town currently, aren't they? All right, 5 days ago. Well, that's cool. Okay, what is he doing? What is this? An implementation of a Neo decentralized exchange. Okay, well, that's cool. So you can make an offer. Okay, you guys can read through this. It's kind of interesting. 105 commits. One dude's working on it. Well, there might be more. It just says 1. Take a look at Switchio. A couple issues. CS, so he's doing this in C#. Okay, created, failed. Okay. Fee factor. Ever wonder where that comes from? A developer types it in. And scrolling on down, so this is a decentralized exchange. Here's one thing from a development point of view, okay? And this is just general, is that the more code you have and the more functions, the more likely you are to have bugs. And that's my phone. Let me turn it down there a second. And that's just a general rule of thumb. So if you see something that's like really, really complicated and stuff, and a decentralized exchanges are, it takes a lot of training. And it could be the best developer in the world, okay? But you also need to go through like an alpha and beta testing and stuff like that. Anyway, that's just development in general. So there's like, it looks like one dude working on this, so best luck to him. Block saver, okay. Raffle, really? A raffle. Neofund, similar to Kickstarter. So they're saying, oh yeah, it's crowdfunding, but we're going to compete against Kickstarter. That's a lot to swallow. Luckineo allows anyone to send their extra gas to a raffle contest. I don't know about you, but I don't think I will ever have extra gas. If I have extra gas, I'm going to sell it on the market. That's just me. Okay, what else do we have here, guys? Defines how long to lock Neo and gas assets. Okay. I don't know, guys. I mean, real-time payment. You know, some I don't know. For the type of stuff that's being developed here in general, I'm not getting it. Frankly, damn single. What a terrible damn name for a pet game. Concierge, yeah, that's a cool name for travel booking. If they do that, zero commissions, yeah, that'd be cool. Vendors and consumers compete directly. Oh, excuse me, can connect directly. They compete. Let's see. We'll accept fiat and crypto. Okay, so that's interesting. Let's see how many people are working on that real quick. 3 repositories, 0 people. 4 hours ago, so that's nice. 4 hours ago. 5 hours ago. Okay. Couple branches, 10 commits. Looks like it wasn't. This is a fairly new. Let's see. Here's their general description. Okay, in order to acquire tokens, the user shall pass registration procedures on example.io website. Okay. Okay, the tokens will be transferred from the wallet of the buyer. Yeah, okay. You guys can read that. I'm not going to read through all that. Source. See what's happening here. 2 months ago, 5 days. 5 hours. Okay. So they are doing, some work on it, but this isn't a huge project, okay? There's not 40 plus developers working on it. It doesn't look like there's 40 plus developers working on any of these that we've covered. Otherwise, what you tend to do is see several of those things being updated hourly, okay? You have 40 developers. That means 24 hours around the day. Boom, 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 boom. Update, update, update. I don't know. I'm getting the difference between a company that has definite direction and tremendous amounts of funds and has all these billions of dollars. Like what is Neo here? $7 billion, and it's an open source project, and it's relying on developers here, just trying to make a a little buck or two on these projects. I don't know, guys. As a developer, maybe I just need to look more into Neo, but I'm not getting it. Okay, I am on the fence on this, and it's cool. You can do C# and stuff. Yeah. I don't know. I know there is a ton of hype around this thing, too. A ton of hype. People love this coin. Blockchain application platform. This one is also in... I mean, it's in JavaScript. Okay, fine. Easier. I have to take a look at this one. I mean... This is on my list next, so I might like Lisk, I might not. It just depends. But right now, I'm just not getting a great feeling from Neo for a long-term investment. I'm talking 2 to 3 years, where you just take the coin and put it in, bury it someplace, and then go dig it up and cash it in. For me, I don't know. It could go up, it could go down. I can't tell you what the price is, but for me to spend time on it, I'm just not. From a developer point of view, I don't think I will be. I don't think I'll be putting any development resources towards Neo. And that is just me. Okay, well, let's go back to Neo, okay? Let's go back to Neo. There it is. So, one thing Neo definitely does have, which is nice, is this volatility here. That is very, very nice. If you're into short-term trades, this is a very nice coin. Look at this. Two opportunities of making some nice gains here within hours. Okay? That's nice. And then, you know, the markets and stuff. So my thing is, if you like Neo, get it. Go do your thing. I'm not here to give you investment advice or anything like that. You know, do what you normally do with a coin you like. If you don't like it, fine. For me, I'm actually passing on it. I'll keep an eye on it for short-term stuff. Very, very short-term, like, you know, pick up the coin and hold it for a few hours. But maybe a day or two. But anything beyond that... yeah. And that's just me. I mean, I could be totally wrong, and that's fine. Anyway, enough of this. So this is pretty much my general overall Neo impression and review. I hope it's educational to you. I know it's gone on a little bit, but I was really showing you and going deep into looking at the coin, okay? Anyway, not financial advice. If you love the coin, you know, do what you got to do. It can go up or down like anything else. You know, and best of luck to you, really. Main point is, do your research. Do your research hardcore in an objective of way as possible. That's the big thing. Stay away from the hype. You look for the hype for the short-term gains, where you're in and then you're out, okay? But, you know, forget I even said that. Basically, just do your own thing. Anyway, that's my review of Neo. Best of luck to you guys. And really, truly, best of luck. If you like the video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and the notify button of when I drop my next video. But have a great day, and best of luck to you. Bye.